back on the BougeRV 30-quart refrigerator. We got the part in for repair. Hopefully this fixes it. It's been a long journey, but here's what we got for a part, and I'll give you the part number. This is our part. Here's our part number, model number. Looks a little different. Hopefully it's the same version. It's got the terminals on the side. Marked on this side, it's negative, positive. F plus, F minus, DC, P, and T. I have to find that screw. I gotta get this bracket off of here. That gets it loose, and then we have the connector there. Okay, we'll take the negative and the positive off. So there's room for me. This one isn't releasing like the other one did. Okay, we got her now. You got to push down. Okay, we got red. And we got black. That's our field positive and field negative. And white. And we got the white. Gray. Well, it's alive, ladies and gentlemen. We got down to 35 degrees, showing 14.2 volts on high max. We should be good to go for our trip to Bristol Motor Speedway. Now I just have to get these solar panels mounted. We got the insulated backing glued on. And when the temperature is down in the morning, we'll get to work on that. Now that the BougeRV refrigerator's working, I wanted to give a big thanks to BougeRV support. Anytime I emailed them, I usually got a reply by the next day. The parts service is a little lengthy, and it did take 2 tries to get it repaired, but when the parts are coming from China, it takes some time. So I just wanted to thank them for their help, and we got her running again, and should be good for our trip to Bristol.